Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today fan we are going to talk about guys how can we solve Wi-Fi network problem in Realme phone device. Friends, we want to solve guys your Realme phone guys Wi-Fi network problems and how can we solve today I will show you in this video guys. Friends, you have problem in your Wi-Fi settings and how can we solve? First of all guys open your phone setting without waste time and guys scroll it. So once you get this type of setting in a Realme phone, so and we will click on guys this system setting guys, tap on system setting, then guys again scroll it. Once you can see guys your backup and reset option guys, tap here, then click on your reset phone setting and guys click on guys your reset first of all Wi-Fi setting guys, tap here to reset. Means guys after 4 and 5 seconds guys your Wi-Fi network problem will solve in your Realme phone device guys. You can use guys your Wi-Fi network setting without any problem. Suppose guys after solve this problem you have any other problem, so don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. So guys now you can connect guys your Wi-Fi network guys without any problem setting guys, and you can use it. So like that guy we can solve Wi-Fi network problem and we can use and we can connect Wi-Fi. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, bye bye friends.